Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the unit of IoT sensors and devices. The first unit topic is sensors for IoT. So in that, first we are going to discuss about introduction about IoT sensors, where it is used, why it is required now, and what are the modern technologies involving using of this IoT sensors. So in that syllabus, see here, active and passive sensors, the first topic, and we are going to discuss about the different types of sensors. In that different type of sensors, we are going to discuss capacitive, resistive, and surface acoustic wave sensors for pressure, humidity, and also that water quality sensors. In that, we are going to discuss accelerometer, gyroscope, and Hall effect and humidity. First, we should know what is IoT sensors. So these IoT sensors are hardware devices that collect data from physical world like temperature, motion, light, and it transmitted over the internet for analysis and also forming the backbone for connected system by enabling smart actions and automation. So here the common types of sensors are temperature, proximity, motion, pressure, humidity, light, and gas sensors. So now, based on the IoT sensors, we can classify by many categories. So in that, the common categories are physical or chemical, or analog or digital, and through the interaction, we can classify contact and non-contact. So first, we should know what is the definition of IoT sensors. Sensors are the eyes and ears of the Internet of Things, physical devices embedded in objects that detect and measure changes in the environment. So that means, so it is the collection of physical devices that will be enabling the connectivity of Internet. So now see here that every sensor it will be sensing some information. So that information from any physical object, so that will be remotely monitored and controlled by the devices. So here, the what are the functions of these IoT sensors means they convert physical phenomenon into digital data, and it will be sent to the central system. It may be cloud or you can enable using of any internet connectivity systems. So now, what are the common types of IoT sensors means? See here, so these are the examples of types of sensors. So here we have display the many types of sensors. So in that ultrasonic sensor, IR optical sensor, gas sensor, gyroscopic sensor, proximetric sensor, rain sensor. So like that types of sensors are there. So by the name itself, we can easily understood what is the purpose of these sensors. So the temperature sensor means it is used to measure the heat and temperature or any temperature from HVAC systems or any industrial process. Similarly, the proximity sensors is used to detect the distance of the object. Similarly, the motion sensors is used to detect the movement, and humidity sensors is used to observe the moisture present in the air, and also pressure sensor, so we can measure any gas pressure or liquid pressure, anything. And the light sensor, it is used to measure the light intensity. Similarly, the gas sensor, it detects the specific gases. So similarly, the image sensor means it will be capturing the visual data. So this sensor is only mainly present in the camera. And also the accelerometer and gyroscope, this is used to detect. See, this is very important part in the types of sensor. The accelerometer gyroscopes in practical also many places we are using. So here it is used to detect motion, orientation, and vibration used in fitness trackers and vehicles. And based on the common categories of types of sensor. In that, the first thing is analog and digital. So the analog sensors produce continuous signal, where the digital signal produce discrete binary signals. Suppose if you want to measure that continuous process, for that we are using the analog sensor. For example, if you want to measure the sunlight throughout the day, we can use the analog sensor. Okay, and if you want to measure that any digital data, so like if you want to measure by uh, individualized data or sampled data, we can use this digital sensor. And the next thing is contact and non-contact sensor. By recurring the touching the object, we are using the contact sensor. In our phone also we are using this types of sensors only for the keyboard typing. So similarly, that active and passive sensor. So this topic we are going to discuss in detail in next part. And what are the roles in IoT system is the first three thing is data collection, automation, and insights. So nowadays the real-time monitoring is very very important. So for that only, that IoT involving in many smart systems. The smart means we need to compute the data fast and efficient, and we can do in that real-time monitoring also. At olden days, we need to move over to one place to another. Then only we can collect the data and sample the data. But using of this Internet of Things, Internet of Things means we are enabling the connectivity to all the physical objects, and we are collecting and gathering and analyzing the information anywhere in the world. So for that only we are using this IoT system. So wherever the smart involves, it involving these IoT sensors. So nowadays without this IoT we cannot do any automation. So like that, that modern technologies effectively use these IoT sensors in efficient communication and efficient computation and fast operation. Thank you.